Why can't I clean the stains off my dental plates with toothpaste?
Because regular toothpaste is too mild for dentures. Regular toothpaste must be mild enough for use inside the mouth on tender gums and teeth like hers. But now there's a toothpaste made especially for denture wearers. New Denture Cream, the only toothpaste powerful enough for dentures. Because Denture Cream is used outside the mouth, it can contain stain removers, a deodorizer, and a special denture polisher, too powerful for family toothpaste. Watch. This denture material was stained with a common but concentrated denture stain, then baked in an oven for 4 days. See how easily Denture Cream removes even strong stains, and with proved safety. No stains, no tartar when you use Denture Cream daily. Result, no denture odor. Remember, to get your dentures clean, really clean, you need new Denture Cream, the only toothpaste powerful enough for dentures.